What's good, y'all? It's goddamn Solo back at it again with another video, man. And today, goddamn, I'm showing y'all that I got my goddamn first Glock, you feel me? I went to the gun store yesterday. Well, I went to the gun store last week. Goddamn, trying to get the 19X. They had that bitch in there, but I was like, I'm gonna wait another week. I was trying to wait it out. I had other shit I had to handle. But I came back this week. I came back yesterday. They didn't have the 19X in there. I picked up the 19. Goddamn, I felt that shit. I felt like the goddamn grip on that shit was just too short. Like, I felt like my first gun, I wanted to be some shit that I can, like, actually, I'm comfortable with, you feel me? So I picked up the 17, and I like the way that felt, so I said I was gonna go with the 17. But, yeah, here's the case right here to the Glock. I got a little clip of me in a pawn shop when I went to go buy it, but yeah, this is right here, you feel me? Show you what it look like on the inside. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so this is what the inside of the case look like. That's the Glock 17 right there. As you can see, goddamn, but yeah, goddamn, I already loaded this shit, bro. Goddamn, I was just trying to, it's my first gun, trying to see how it, how it feel, get used to it. I'm gonna go to the range tomorrow, shoot a few rounds, goddamn. But yeah, that's that shit right there, man. That Glock 17, goddamn. But yeah, this how the shit. But yeah, y'all know I'm a goddamn troll, so it's like, as y'all can see, goddamn. But yeah, this is shit right here. I goddamn put that beaver tail on that joint, as y'all can see. But yeah, I just feel like it fit nicely in my hands, bro. It's like, I got like the perfect size hands for it. As y'all can see, like, I don't think I have, my goddamn phone keep dying. But yeah, you feel me? I just like the way this joint feel in my hands. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? It just, I feel like it fit perfect for me. Goddamn, I just gotta get used to that joint. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'm gonna go to the range soon. I'm gonna do a vlog on that, and I got a couple more vlogs dropping soon. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned into the channels, man. I've been traveling, making money, just doing different shit. 2024, we up. But goddamn, yeah, man, y'all like this video, comment in the section below, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned in. Now it's over.